Hey y'all. This is Marian. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I decided to do a quick install using Klaiyi hair. Hopefully, I am pronouncing it correctly, but this is all of their social media handles. I saw this wig on Tasha Washa, and it comes with a standard wig cap, lashes that I'm not going to use, and a wig band, which I love. And then it came with a kabuki brush, which I'm definitely not going to use, but hey, it was free. And it's a transparent lace. I thought it would be HD, but it's a 13 by 4 transparent. The hair was very soft. It had minimal shedding. This is the yaki hair texture, and as you can see, it's transparent. It's not HD, as I said before, and it comes with adjustable band and those combs that I definitely have to take out. So going through this, I am wiping the perimeter of my head because I did skincare, so I just wanted to remove all of the oils, and I'm just adjusting the wig to see how it's going to fit on my head. So now it's time for me to install it. Now I'm not a pro. This is just my quick way of doing things, and you can see that I didn't pluck the edges or anything. This is straight up out of the box, which I don't mind because I'm going to wear it, with the middle part anyway. So I'm taking the Even Melting Spray. This is a new product, and then I'm also going to use their sensitive adhesive spray or lace spray just for extra hold. So I went back in a second time with the melting spray because I want to wear this unit for more than one day. And I love this band that I got from Amazon. It helps to dry down the adhesive spray really, really fast. And then I'm going in with the actual spray. This is the sensitive one. They have active, and which is the red one. And then they have like the regular one, which is in the black can. So I've tried all of them in case you're interested. So this wig is a tad bit too small for my head, or the lace isn't enough, as you can see. And you'll see later on when I cut off the tabs that this wig doesn't necessarily fit my head, but I'm gonna make it do what it do because I paid for it. As you can see, I am spraying the adhesive spray on top of the lace. I really want this lace to, stay, this wig to be in place, especially it's windy out here in Houston. And then I'm going to put the wig band on and let it stay on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to cut off the excess lace just because it irritates me. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's just something that I like to do, especially since I have to wait. So I am brushing out the hair just to get a feel of it. It is very soft. It doesn't tangle, and as you can see, it does shed, but that's expected. So I'm going to use some Garnier Fructis Shine, Sleek and Shine, just a little bit, just to bring some shine to the hair because it was looking a little dry. And I'm using my hot comb to just, flatten the hair down a little bit more while, you know, the lace is melting or trying to melt. And now it's time for me to remove the wig band and see what it do, and then cut off the excess lace. I don't even know why I thought I was a professional, acting like a professional using the razor when typically I use the scissors, and that looks a hot mess. And I tried to use the razor on this side, but I was like, I'm not gonna cut myself. So the best thing for me to do was to use my scissors and stop acting like I've been doing this for years and years. And you can see that the wig is too small for me because you can still see my hair. But like I said, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to make it work. And I'm just adding some more adhesive spray to kind of melt in the lace because you can still see it because it's transparent. Normally with my HD laces, I don't have to do that, but I just kind of wanted to blend in more with my skin. Even though you know it's a wig, it doesn't have to necessarily look like one. So now it's time to curl this hair, or attempt to curl this hair.
These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No, these days, I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really want to meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, 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 for all this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the energy. No, and ain't nothing social about the me.
So now I'm using some concealer to define my middle part. And then I'm going to use some hairspray to kind of seal the concealer. And I just press my finger down just to make sure or remove any excess concealer. So this is me removing the headband and looking at all of my hard work disappear.
I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got.
Okay, so I wanted to give you my final thoughts on this unit. The colors are very pretty. Now, when it comes to Yaki hair, I knew it was going to be wavy and crinkly, so I didn't flat iron it and then curl it. I just wanted to see what it would look like in its natural status. As you saw, I installed this straight out of the box. I'm not really worried about baby hairs because I'm not into all of that. The only thing is this hair does not hold a curl. Maybe if I used rods to curl the hair, maybe it'll hold the curls a whole lot better, or maybe I should just flat iron it and rock it straight. But I've had yucky or kinky units before in the past, and they didn't hold a curl either. So I wasn't expecting it to, you know, do that, but it doesn't hurt. If it did, I would have been definitely surprised. For some reason, I thought this was HD lace. It's transparent, which is cool, which is fine because it blends in with my skin, and everybody knows this is not my hair. So I left it with the part in the middle, and so far I really like it. It's soft. The shedding was to a minimum. Shedding is expected. I didn't have any problems installing it. Now the unit is too small for my head, so right here you can definitely see that it's too small, but with the hair down, who's gonna see? So, and I don't think there was an option to choose a different wig cap size. So it's all good because this will be covered. I do want to definitely flat iron it and see what it looks like. It's very soft. It doesn't get tangled, but as you can see, the more I comb through the hair, my curls are leaving. And when I say I sprayed the hair down, I went back and curled it. I used the Sebastian Plus, and I used the L'Oreal hairspray, and that one is a little bit more intense, but it just did not hold a curl. So I guess this would be like for straight hair look days or something like that. But I like the way it feels. It's very soft, and there's nothing else I really have to say about this. So if you're interested in getting this unit, I will link. This is not a sponsored video. I don't get any commission or anything from, you know, linking this wig down below, but just in case you're interested in it, then I will definitely do that. Let me know what it looks like. What are your opinions? I haven't worn this color hair since, I want to say, my 20s, wearing micro braids. So I'm a little shook. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.